Hey, this is Shondipon here again. So, in my earlier video, I discussed about new education policy 2021, and over there I discussed about the major changes that are going to happen. But what are the major changes that are going to happen in higher education? Because higher education or the secondary stage that they have formed, class 9, class 10, class 11, class 12, in this area we form our career. So the first and foremost thing that they are going to do is they are going to increase the number of seats, that is 50% increase in gross enrollment ratio. What is this? They are going to create 3.5 crore more seats in secondary education. Maybe you may know this, that there are many students who get to learn till class 10. Maybe they are, we say 10 pass, we say 12 pass. So what are these? They have passed till class 10, they have passed till class 12. Why? Now on one side, if we see, till class 10 maybe someone may study, after that they may not go to class 11 and 12. Why? Because they have to help their 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 families. Maybe they are coming from poor sections. So if we say this, many and another thing, that is, many people may not get enrolled because we have got primary schools. This primary school, we have got primary schools, many primary schools are there, but secondary schools, we have got very lesser number of secondary schools. Understand this too. So this is one of the important thing. We are at this point, we are having 35%, and now from 35% we will convert it to 50%. So this is a very good step that has been taken, or if we can actually make it, it will be a pride for India. Multidisciplinary choice of certification. So what is this? Now you see, as we were talking in the previous video about the vocational training, so we can actually start about the vocational training from class 6. Vocational training means any kind of skills that we want to build up. Let's take for example, someone has got a great wonderful, that person is wonderful in carpentry. As I said, that carpentry is not what we say carpenter. It's not about carpenter, it's actually a skill what you use. Maybe someone is really good at circuit boards, making circuit boards. They are really good at those small finest electric things. And we know that children are curious, we are curious, we were curious when we were at that stage, but we didn't have that much exposure at that moment in our schools. So these kind of exposures will be given. There will be 10 days will be there of vocational training, or there will be internships. There will be 10 days of internships. So this is yet another thing which will be very important for vocational. So it's, you see, vocational education, vocational training, this is most emphasizing. So the emphasizing is there on that thing. It's really good, and that is what it is. We want to change our education from bookish knowledge to applied knowledge. Application is what it is. What we are studying, what we have studied, those are just the books. If someone is from civil engineering, or let's say at this moment people who have been in banking or any kind of trade, let's say you are in IT or IT industry, what are you really doing? Are you doing what you have studied till now? Those who are in employment sector, what you have studied and what you are doing at this moment, it has got heaven and hell difference. If you see that, only people who are teachers, professors, and they are giving the skill based knowledge, they are going into these books, or let's say they have to go for the books. But now that is also going to change, because teachers are needed. Special teachers are needed, special, really important special teachers, because special teachers are needed for this reason, because special skills are needed. These skills are very important. You can find, maybe one day you may see that a carpenter is teaching you. I am actually only into this carpentry. Now I can actually move to painting too. You can see there are many important subjects like coding. See, coding is such an important thing. I will come to coding, but let's first understand this multidisciplinary choice, because this area is very important. Uh, First is certificate. So when the guy or the girl will be promoted to class 9, let's say that person has come to class 9, that person wants to do let's say coding. Let's take this thing, coding. So that person wants to be studying in coding. So there will be a certificate if they want to choose. There will be choice for them if from 1 to 4 years. Let's say when we do BTech, what do we do? We have 4 years of this BTech. We cannot complete 1 year and we say, well, we don't want to do BTech. We have studied. After 2 years, you cannot say that. So you have to complete this 4 years if you want to. Now, apart from MBBS and legal knowledge, well, I haven't written over here. Legal, that is legal and MBBS means law and MBBS. So law, these two are MBBS, or you can say medical. You can say medical. MBBS, I am not saying medical. So law and medical, these two will be exception, because we know that these are very critical things, and we don't want to go to a doctor, we don't want to go to a lawyer, but these are very skillful subjects. They are needed. Lawyers and judges are needed. Doctors are needed. Doctors, nurses are needed. So medical profession has been excluded. So apart from that, if someone wants to do 1 year, after that he or she says, well, चलो बस मेरा खत्म हुआ, मैं नहीं करना चाहता कुछ. So that person will be given certificate. If after that person says, चलो मैं और एक साल करना चाहता हूँ, so that person will be given advanced diploma. If that person wants to study further, or let's say vocational training on something, multidisciplinary choice. See, multidisciplinary choice, it means that person can actually do that thing in any kind of subject. It can be literature too. Maybe that person, let's say, okay, let's give you an example. What is PhD? So PhD is actually something where we get that doctorate certificate. You make something new, you do something new. Maybe someone is really good at literature, okay, and that person has what is needed in literature? We need the critical skill. We have to criticize. Let's say films. Okay, I am getting so many kinds of subjects. So students who are actually listening, the people who are listening here, please do comment different kinds of different kinds of subjects that can be that can be explored. You see, exploration is the subject. You see, there are like filmmaking, movie making, that is the subject. Video editing, it is the subject. YouTube training, that is also a subject. YouTuber, it is totally a different career. Understanding these things, it is totally a new horizon that we are opening, the 21st century. So yet I have missed out, but this is 21st century has been taken as the base model. So 21st, according to the 21st century, all these subjects will be framed, and the curriculum will be framed. So you can understand that coding will be important. So maybe there can be in certificate only Java. After that, maybe advanced Java. After that, they may go to any kind of license projects. Maybe let's say they want to study let's say database. I don't know much about coding. Maybe some other subject. After that, research license. Maybe research license is something which they may say that okay, they want to go to the advanced level. Let's say someone may want to go for deep learning, AI. So you see, there are so many things. AI, there is deep learning, so many things. There is blockchain, and for all these things, we know that these are all technology based, or let's say coding based subjects. So for these, we need what? We need teachers, we need education, online education. So open and distance learning are being made so that one can do it from home. Maybe they want to learn from home, that is work from home, learn from home, distance learning and open learning. Because you see, at this moment now, open universities are not given uh, that much preference. But what it may happen in the near future is that if we get more certificate exposure to online and digital education, if we get more learnings about many kind of certificates about, let's say, if you get, see, multidisciplinary, let's say someone knows Java, someone knows C++, someone knows accountancy too. Understand this, someone is also from law. It may seem that it's a cocktail of all these subjects, but understand one thing: if the person knows law and if that person law knows taxation, understand, so he knows the legal part, he knows the taxation part, and that can give that person a wonderful career. So I'm trying to make you understand all the concepts. Now at last, what I will be saying, my favorite, really my own favorite, that is financial education. Financial education, what I was really yearning for. Many people would say that, and if you have read about Rich Dad Poor Dad, this is a book from Robert Kiyosaki. You can go online and you can actually purchase that, Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's wonderful, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. I cannot write over here. So Rich Dad Poor Dad, it's a wonderful book. You can go online and you can read this book on PDF. You can buy this book. I will say buy this book because this is a Bible. This is the Bible, or you can say it's a primary book. It's the primary book, or ABC, A to Z alphabet books for any kind of person who wants to learn financial education. What do we know about financial education? We know about FD, fixed deposit. We know RD, recurring deposit. इसके बिना और कुछ मालूम है? Yes, we know insurance or nothing. Now at this point we are getting to understand what we are understanding: MF, mutual fund. We are getting more in-depth insurance. Insurance can be so many types of insurance. We are getting stocks, stock markets, getting exposure to so many kinds of things. We are getting into debt instruments. Now debt instruments, if you don't know, you can go and you can understand this thing. There are commercial papers and there are many other kinds of things. There are commercial bonds also, government bonds. So all these kinds of things are in debt instruments. Money market, so there is capital market, money market. People who are studying the financial awareness, they may heard about all those kind of things. So you see, this financial education is really important. I always promote this. So all these kind of things have been made, and higher education, if higher education changes, this whole part, this whole thing changes. It will be a great benefit to all students. What we are doing now is wrong, actually wrong. What we are doing now is wrong. What we will be doing will be right when all these kind of things will be implemented. So implementation is also important. There are pros, there are cons. What I have discussed till now are the pros or the advantage if these are implemented. What can be the cons, or let's say that what can be the impediments. Impediments का मतलब क्या है? प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा? अभी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है? See, teacher, we need the teacher, proper guidance. So teachers will have to be, they need their own education qualification, and if I say there one person will have to have B.Ed of 4 years, 4 years B.Ed, understand, 2 years का होता था, अभी 4 years, so B.Ed have to be there. This is compulsory, which have been made, which is in the new NEP, that is New Education Policy 2021. So I think that this is very important because teachers will have to be upgraded. हम अपग्रेड हो जाएंगे, the students will get upgraded, but teachers, they have to be upgraded. जो टीचर क्लास 1 to 10 पढ़ा रहा था, that teacher will have to now upgrade themselves and they have to get those 3 5 plus, I mean 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 in that education. So teacher, this is the biggest impediment. Sanskrit, we heard about it. How many students, how many teachers can we get for Sanskrit? Very rare. So that is yet another impediment. What can be more impediments? Teachers may not get to understand about analytical, critical, and another thing what we saw about, I'm just forgetting. Okay, so analytical, critical thinking, okay, conceptual thinking, yes. So it's ACC, it's not ACC cement. So analytical skills, about conceptual skills, about critical skills. So maybe they may not understand one of them. It may be difficult for them to assess. The student may not get to assess. You see, this is very important. If you have seen the movie The Blind Side, if you have actually seen, there is one guy who goes for rugby team, and that talent is actually found by a person who gets that person, that the guy has got defensive, I mean protective ability. Protective ability he has got 98 percentile. So and in other subjects he has failed. So from there that person is shown the right guide and he gets into a rugby team. So if this skill, see this analytical, critical, and whatever I am saying, so this has to be understood by the teachers. So teachers have to be upgraded, students have to be upgraded. Apart from this, what other different kinds of problem? I haven't taken many kinds of boards, and there have been actually different levels, I mean many committees which are being formed. So there are many full forms of that, and so I'm not going so much deep into it. So all these frameworks are very complicated. To be honest, it's really complicated. It may seem that it is easy, but it is actually complicated. Why? Because in each level, let's say 5, the first one, so over here how teachers will be learning. We know that certain teachers are there who can actually take subjects from 1 to 5, let's say 1 to 5, so maybe 5 years. But after that, this 3 plus 3, this is actually the mid stage. To be honest, it's the mid stage, but we say that it is actually not primary school, we say secondary. Okay, so in secondary, this portion, there can be different kinds of people in this position. Actually many people will be coming into, many teachers are needed, good skilled students, teachers, good skilled teachers are needed in this portion. And after that, this 4, let's move all these kind of things. The 4, class 9, 10, 11 and 12. So over here, what about vocational training? Vocational means skills. So skills are needed. Again, the teachers. So teachers have to be skilled. Teachers have to work harder than the students now. This is most important that we can actually understand. And if our honorable government can change this policy for teachers too, like there have to be recruitment of teachers. So teachers will be recruited in different manner, so they have to study in different manner. Everything is going to change, and if this change really happens, there will be many good things. One of the very good things will be, we haven't talked about one thing, that is sex education. You see, we don't talk about this sex education. People have to know about sex education. Like financial education, sex education is also very important. We don't talk about this. So this is also very important. The guys who are going to class 8, 9, at the puberty stage, they have to understand what are the mood swings, what happens about at that moment. Because they are at that moment not that mature. So to be matured, they have to understand about mood swings, what happens in puberty, how hormones work and all those kind of things. The bookish knowledge will not help. The application will be important. Application, for that I don't mean that you have to apply these things in sex education. Okay, I'm not saying about this. Application means you have to make them understand by different scenarios, by case studies. You see, case studies really help, because you get to understand, you brainstorm your ideas in everything. It's not about science, commerce, or any kind of or science, commerce, or arts. In anything, in anything it can happen. Arts, take this thing, you have creativity gives rise to art subject, filmmaking, movie making, book writing. You can be author, you can be a filmmaker, you can go for research. Critical thinking is there over there. So with that you may also go for engineering. अभी क्या कर रहे हैं सभी इंजीनियर्स आके यहाँ पे बैंक में जो जमा रहे, हाँ, अपने दाम. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दैट इज हैपनिंग. सो the engineers, if engineers can come to commerce, and arts background students can also come to banks, everyone is coming to banks. So they are actually coming to banks because of the jobs. But most important thing is that everything we can learn, everything we can learn, science we can learn, accounts we can, commerce we can learn, arts in one life. But not, maybe we cannot have that the potency of being the highest. Maybe the highest can be reached only someone who is having that bhakti yoga, the PhD or the master degree which they are doing. So maybe we can reach up till now, and we are over here. These are the people, the normal people. Someone who is in this position, they are PhD, and over here we are actually learning. We have learned through our experience. So if you have anything to join, if you have anything to comment below, apart from it, what I have missed, what you want to give, because your comments really matter a lot. You are also studying, you are also understanding. Your criticism, your critical thinking also helps it. A like button will not help. Write something. So I will say, write something in this, subscribe this channel, join our tribe. This channel is actually a tribe, whatever you call. I call this a tribe because this is something like a banking and financial video, many different kinds of. This is an innovative video because this has been given by a community channel, from a community post I have got this. So we discuss these things. Come here and comment this. Stay well, stay healthy. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.